Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing OnlyWay Business Suite and signing in with your business account. This gives the app access to company data. Once signed in, make sure to enable two-step verification for security and grant permissions for contacts, calendar, and storage so syncing works. If you manage multiple pages or teams, add them now so you don't interrupt workflow later. This step primes the app to pull the right assets and prevents access errors when you move to setup. Now you configure core workflows, connect your pages, add accounts, and payment methods so campaigns can run without delays. Assign roles, admin, editor, analyst, and adjust permissions to limit risk. This prevents accidental changes and keeps accountability clear. Next, create your first campaign and a content calendar, scheduling posts and ads. This centralizes publishing and reporting. Once done, test a small ad or post to confirm delivery and tracking before scaling up. Finish by verifying analytics, setting performance alerts, and exporting an initial report so you have a baseline to measure against. Reconcile billing and review ad approvals to ensure campaigns are running and funds are allocated correctly. If something goes wrong, try a targeted troubleshooting step. Log out, clear the app cache, and reauthorize the connected accounts. This resolves most sync and permission errors. If issues persist, contact support with the report and steps you took.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.